Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Before we start with these top stories, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. We are going to look at Bor County peace dialogue with the Red Bell group has collapsed and the local committee is dissolved. Second, we are going to talk about a deadly boat attack in Ural East leaves civilian dead and missing. Third, we are going to talk about court give MP Gadwitch Lam permission to visit his family and access medical care. Fourth, we are going to talk about security incident in Juba and Apanal, including the killing of a Tiger Division soldier and the rape of a 13-year-old girl. Stay tuned as we go into full details. Before we proceed, please help us by subscribing to Changfied YouTube channel. This happened in Bor. In Bor County, a local effort for peace has ended in disappointment. The commissioner of Bor County, Samuel Ateng Page, has dissolved the peace committee that was meant to talk with the Red Bell Army group. The committee was formed on September 26, 2025. People saw it as a chance to bring down tension and stop the insecurity. But the very next day, September 27, a government convoy was ambushed. This was not a small convoy. It included the State Minister of Cabinet Affairs, Minister of Education, Information, Parliamentary Affairs, Culture, Youth and Sport, and a commissioner from Bor, Awerial, and Ural East counties. The attack made Commissioner Page declare the dialogue useless. He issued County Order number 33, 2025, and say the matter is now to be handled by national security and state authority. This means that the peace initiative is over and security force will now take control. Let's take a look at the Red Bell group. The Red Bell group is known to be a youth army group in the area of Jonglei. They are accused of many violent attacks. Local people hope dialogue could solve the problem, but this ambush shows the group does not trust or respect the county leadership. What this means? First, it shows how fragile peace efforts are in South Sudan. One violent incident can destroy months of planning. Second, it shows that communities is still prepared to solve problems through dialogue, but the presence of guns make dialogue hard. Third, moving the matter to national security means less local control. Some people may feel excluded from decision. Voice from the community. Some citizens of Bor said, "We are tired of fighting. Dialogue was the best option. Now everything is in the hands of security forces and that worries us." That's what they said. Others say the government cannot continue to beg army use. They must be disarmed by force. This story not only about Bor County, it represents a national problem. Peace at the community level is weak and national politics often interferences. If peace talk cannot work at the county level, it raises big questions. Can South Sudan ever achieve peace at the national level? This is very concerning incident within Bor. Our second top story is about the deadly boat attack in Ural East. At least 2 people are dead, 5 are missing, and others are injured after army men attacked a passenger boat in Ural East County. According to the report, the boat was traveling from Bor to Panjajir County. It carried 78 passengers. The attackers are believed to be from Ural East. What happened? According to Panjajir Commissioner Gabriel Magogbol, 2 dead bodies have been recovered. 5 passengers are still missing. 5 people were injured, and 61 survivors reached Panjajir headquarters safely. Among the passengers were 2 women and 3 girls. The rest were mostly traders. Not the first time though. This part of pattern of attack. Early September, 8 traders kidnapped in Ural East. 1 woman gave birth while in captivity. June, a boat of 27 people and 60 cattle attacked. Some escaped, others kidnapped. July, another boat with 53 trader ambushed, people killed, missing, and survivor hiding in swamp. According to the report, they said 53 people were on boat, but the exact number is 73 trader. That is the exact number. Community reaction concerning these issues. Civil society activist Zakaria Manyang Pok said, "This is a failure of law enforcement. When criminals kill and are not arrested, others continue killing." Analysis said river routes are becoming a death trap. The trader and traveler cannot move safely. The economy of Panjajir and Bor is being destroyed because trade depends on river transport. For families, this means higher price of goods. For trader, it means fear of death or kidnapping. For communities, it means more division and revenge killing. If nothing is done, this will turn into a cycle of violence between counties. Let's take a look at the court granting leave to Gadwitch Lam, the SPLA-IO. In Juba, there is an update from the special court that is handling the trial of Dr. Machar and 7 others. The court has allowed Honorable Gadwitch Lam Poch a leave. Gadwitch Lam Poch is MP. The court allowed him to visit his family and offer condolence after his brothers-in-law died. The defense team also asked for medical care for all the accused. Since their arrest, they have not received medical treatment. The court agreed to allow medical access. Another ruling was made. A new translator will now be provided for 2 accused who cannot follow the trial in English or Arabic. Why this matter though? It shows the court is responding to human rights concern. It also shows the trial has political weight since March and his allies are powerful leaders. Providing a translator is a small victory for fairness in the judicial process. This trial is not just about law, it is about powerful politics and the future of opposition leadership in South Sudan. According to the report for our forces story, a soldier killed, another incident injured. On October 4th, a Tiger Division soldier was killed at the checkpoint near the 7-day roundabout in Juba. Another soldier was injured too. Suspect in a private car opened fire. They were later arrested and taken to Maleki police station. But that was not the only security incident last week. At Konyo Market, a violent clash broke out among brokers. 16 people were arrested in that incident. Second, in Apanal, 13-year-old girl was raped by a 16-year-old boy. The suspect is in custody. The girl is receiving medical treatment. Police spokesperson General James Monday Enoka say calm has been restored, but call on the public to help security forces. They are alerting the security force so that they can take a serious measure concerning these issues. But the calm has been restored. That's what they said. Even in the capital, insecurity is growing in Juba. Market clash reflect economic stress and poverty. Crime against children highlight the lack of protection and justice. Jo banling wasame banarwache katin content chawren lat. Chedung wan long to go the con killing. To go there or the palping killing dien. Banarwache kaler dang wan. Jo nyam roy mi chala no roach kum kil me yadit ke group chal ke red bell. No ka bor ka jongle. Waken chikari alakan wode ka roy ke red bell but red bell chejelo no roy ke. Red Bell group dung jani ke ngane jani are alakan wo nyen kan ke kum kirmi yadi re wichin winami ban mandan le ro ban jiling gwat me wani te committee ti sa ko nge kwiden but committee tonni tam wa cha ka nyok kam wo keke rew de ban rach ke tay dane shirike to ga ke yirol is gwadi dane sha nur ya nektin ano ala nur civilian ke tradery ano ke chala do te ne to want te kan chop da which ke unit state Adiodin bana racha ke kwi court ka sha MP Gadwitch Lam ran kumes fila yo menti kel kering ma charity jen gwal dan lokatin wacha kam permission ko be she man be ko gul ka jan ba bodol wal ngwan dien bana rache ka quick security incident en chito re wike Juba kan maran chito ka penal no en rail har tini chala de no ba te ka ramkel ka jitai ga division mishanak ka cha nyam ti kurun wal jok cha dom ka jeler moni gorjen obana ka nyakel galeri ti kan kono nyam me jira ma jidit gwa same gorjen wo jin deri channel deri support deri subscribe ko de lerti de kan chama la shu ka jin gwa sandan en pai ka bridge bana jo me bana je link ka ta dana chi ler shi rodian to ga ja ano ki cha lat ka ja jo nyam bana kwen gwa same channel right ka mandan en chala tre wij bor Bor County wa ken chi gore aleka ano they can right native contentual ke red bell group local chicken la local community kana gorno de ka right Canadian conte la red bell group local langa ke do no watch in disappointment lo red bell group kan kana no ano big right ke kuma kirmi yadi lakin la langa ke Commissioner Bor County Samuel Ateng Patch shela do nene ajani ka tako shi neriti chikan logo no ba look ba jalat ke big dol ke red bell group washa all the native consular committee shaga dissolve ke chaga watch ko red bell group kan ka rum kaneti tin kon cha kwan ka joran chikan lat chi committee chigala do ne sha neriti shaga kwan ni ka jen jendang ro bakal ga pai won ron kin dang ro jendang ro de ko de ga right ke red bell group ko red bell group jele kan lora bangre which changa dor malar ka chang kuma chega jogdi no lo dwal kan kaje chala do gor kuma no de ka rai ke red bell group but ni ga shenge dana sha tu kaje wachi kan logo no de kan manda lat ke kuma mentere wij bor de kan ling ka shang ndang ro baro ko do to ga shang ndang ro bakkel shang ndang ro bakkel pai bangwan wachi kuma ka goro de ka rai ke red bell group ka shang ndang ro baro on when mo tani ko ga chankal garwade watch you can government convoy you can ambush lo you can la lat kumtin konintere which bor ka jongle you can ambush da dop watch you yet ka en convoy mo by the way shala do shi jelne de torka jelne tin wan lon ka je state minister of cabinet affair take it in minister of education information parliamentary affair take it in cultural use and sport to kwarken take it in was mo to commissioner from Bor werial and Euroles counties a watiktin kanadiality ka kwardit kan kwar content cha magan wen morning wadi dane che chup ka chanya ndang ro baro and when money mishi na mache tuogoni wa chwa gorno ba ne diale ko ne sha kwan no commissioner patch che goro kan dial baga dissolve ki ba coach chula do ne en mandana la do ba right now ka je red bell ajani the dialogue is useless ajani na me shi magwa to Union Order Court, County Order Court 33 2025. Chela do nene en meter me kiri game. Charge be handle a native county local community. Kachi commissioner be handle. Antama sha red bell group sha case dien chayen la state national security and state authorities. Canadian county burach red bell group. Kajomo chalat gwaseme chalat nu ngu medena negotiate keke red bell group kaken nakana no kapas kana de domni ken de deal kamne me ken ka bom ka joran kanalat red bell group wa ken ngai ke lo wa ken ngani ti sharen moy ka me ke share leka ne to content rewit bor ken cha gwani lun ko dubtu ngwana won nakana de domni nakana re ching mike kan kwak lo tungwa nung tilat ken ka ti cha gorno de lat bo ne tin content la native content which road no ken ku kan long community local community wadwal ke longwi kan on me baje deal solve ka dom gwa telari ngbeto ki tel kor mbeto kam dien ke red bell ba red bell group chi kan no nyu the gen wodi enta dan to red bell ke je lere chi tene te kwije mi te kwagal le direct no lela ne me kala ne me ne me nyu the gen wo South Sudan tele mal no ko mi bani tichit ke red bell group ba ka la ko biken mandan gor ken re wuj biken lat ko tamre wi bor jel ken ka mech dio jam sha bidin ken sha gudin kanen jel ken ka mech re yak mech did along pk amni kalat ken wo ken ke community army te ku patang na community ban ngode nyen ken ken te ko la jiwch chet ke dr guy cook bo en laido wate get threat ko ne ti bo chikana de palmi chikana jek chet ko gwada chikan ko ma ken menene te kontila officially ki commissioner which in winemi bor so na mnyo the gen wodi trick teten mi charge band lo gwa mene to contin la kwar shit ke dar gai ko kan je kwar te ka trade ba ko na me ara which bor red bell group te ka bor ajen gwa dana kwa formten so mnyu do di mi charge bari ale ka charge bi ke gwa den nyu jen wo rik dial bu guri la de long re which wini mi na me goro jen wo de kan ale ka some citizen ke ji wuci kala ndo ne gona no de ne ti de ka dil cap you know ko ntama biga no ne rek mudit bor ke bna biga nyin ka wa fon kum point chide no shi ne ken ka ke lo langa ke eto e palakur ba de kam me ken ka bom ka jo dan chalat ke je so jo me chala de netin content bor and red bell group shawana no de na roi ke ba chicken look ntama chicken ngong no kur ajen mo kwa committee kwa kale dissolve ko jema ki ka ba ka chonga jo dan chalat munyo de no ken chicken kum mente bor chicken lut ka ta dan dong de ken ka lot ke je jo me goro de kona ling ka do bran ci to ke je gwaza me kan kono niam kala ko ken mi jira ma jedit please support the channel ku subscribe ku notification bell ku jetwan ko blerity bi ki choma la lengi ka Changfied YouTube channel gwaza me bana raketin kon lat karodin chana jien roine kamandan en chalat gwaza me to kon ke dung bot ke medane sha to kon ke bod ne bod mo chaja kef re which bor jena ka jongle ko lo ka panye jar no an wen mo ne cha bu do mo cha ja kabda duop cha na cha ga ne reide jena na bana kwen gwas me ke jeler mene gor jen o der jen ne ko ken ler mene cause a very important message de kon nyo kel karudan ka bodi dane cha kap der mo kimi cha kap cho gwada me chala do ne sha ne dangro sha kanak ne dang di ko cha gwas dana shi ko woten ala bude me kwaja taka yirolis ka bude me tene ngwanen ware reida cha la do cha ne dang diech cha ne dang ro cha kanak kane tungwan ko kien te cha mu ka bot bude mo tene passenger reida ne tijen ka yirol yirol is jen gwadan wa maktin wa bot jena bor ko lo ka pani jar county jen jela kane jen baro wid badak 78 passenger reida ne to kan yal kan ware chawanetin kontin makanare bodka waka jang yirol is kaneta kontin nakan waren wena mone according to Panjajar Commissioner Gabriel Magogbol chela do nene jene dangro chakanak ne dang de chitla passenger ko gwadan tikitin jene dang de ko ken chaw mu ka bot jene jen bakalu de kel she ka survive chiku ko Panjajar headquarter safely alo jenta dan chalat gwadan chana lingo ne ti chop ka jen dewi de dok wa kaneta konin tere bot ka bat cha jojen wodi ne jen baro yid badak 78 people kaneta konin tila passenger tin tere bot ka cha jo mo cha jo kwen among the passenger ne ti konin tin wati mandang ro tikitin ka gwadang dok no ne ko kien wa ka tradery timo la jinya gatka chana ngaje gwan wo chitung wan charen la long ne ko gwan bar and me she gen first time this thing been keeping repeating itself wa ke gen pai bangwan ne ka tuk pai bangwan cha ne dang badak cha kidnap ke cha ga page no ke yiro is kane ti bokan ware tan yen wati chekte tin chek mu shu dabon wene dane kap na tin gwade dane cha ga nang tin anyok ka pai bakel cha ne gen dang rid baro cha ga nyok ne den dang rid baro en wene moni cha nyom kap ke jel kan ke oxygen bakel chu tanat chu ka rodian bar chu tanat chu ga ke ku chu tanat chu ga nak no mo pai bakel ke julait la pai baro chu ane de chu jendi diok la trader chu ka ambuj boni chu ane tungwan chu ga naka ka tana ti cha jegno kan got ken kan jek chu men walle ka tana ti chi survive ti chi nyoko mi chu kan woje danan chale panya jar ngai kono long ne konen kwa target gwas me kan wori kume jani kene ko la jangala ngene janare wichin winemi community reaction civil society activist Zakaria Manyang Pok jala no michira me jega long nere kon tikariek ajene ke law enforcement kan kon tikariek ko ken nere kon la criminal lat ke jek chikan ga ke la pel ken ka we ne ti mu kana kon ke nyod jen worun be ken mi jero den be ken nyoko milet ken so jen do badan inshallah bana mone ko ni yire jen gwada dan ente men jegati dial ka reide ke jen do badan ko transport jaga transport ke easy ke trader ke ne dial watem michit ken me be jidur tungwan baga jako ba ku bade yoni amane konti la trader ko telete ba jal tele ko to ben anyo ka trader panken bo regen dit tun jalin kere yer wan bi ke liu ko ba ka kap ni chang na be jemat ka community ne banin wen men tama mene de wan baga nong tere kam ne ken ko cha kor cha je nong batike ri ben keling bu tok tin kana me shi magwa na me je ga long je na gori je no jen de je kap chong a che de we won yam ka je ka ta da na cha jo me cha je lat ke je bana wo ka lero dien me de kon lingwa me bana rach eno ka kwi kwar andan men la kwera spilai wo wude me shwale Gadwitch Lam Gadwitch Lam jen chai jako jen bawucheng abdene mene a special court cha ka tej ko de kan Gadwitch Lam de kan jako cheng Gadwitch Lam ram kel medical ke documentar kan ne dang barotin kokin she court jen no no be honorable Gadwitch Lam poch bawucheng no jen ram kel mlakwar ka parliament ka ko represent Nasir County chala no wude cheng wa take brother in law de michi yede jen ada wana mone ko dara family dara kawbum anyo bo gwad ma jen chaja la ko dara wo dara dul wal dara je gor ko ne gwade dana kap ka kaje me yan ka kan ka la ko de ko dul wal ki de ga le shake up bata ma cha la ko jen be medical treatment be je gor gwade dana we kami gule she manatin re kamana na chitwok man cha nyong lat ka gwase me wa gor ke ne tin kontin la translator ne dang rode ko kenet balu ko kor gwaden be ko gor ga jeno ken de ka loy tok ko chala do ngai ken tong wer ku ken to ka wayne ku ken to arabic wane de to gor jeno de translator de je gor ka changa dana balu baji lu ka ja so na me chalat ka do badana chalat je gwase me ne bana wo ka le rodian na me breaking news re which ka Juba en malen kon mo gwase me Tiger Division Soldier chala do charam kele ka chakanak ken konon yam please gorno jin bi channel bi support chun kel ka Changfied YouTube channel ko beler te ba ka shomala nonga ku subscribe ku notification bell ku jetwan ban joma ban jilin kel ka chankan wan ka paywell Tiger Division Soldier charam kel chaja naka ka shek point gwada danan tie ka 7 advantage ronabat re wiki Juba chala do ne charam kel jay na Tiger Division karam dadian me chamu ka bot ka kende ne 118 kontin na ke di ne gwasa me wa kanet jel ka private car wa shu jekende ni jeken ga shunga kamele ka doran shal ke 7 advantage roundabout ka Juba shu kan ga shula match shu kan le match gwasa mo tiga shunga shu karam kel yukana na ka Tiger Division ka shu karam dadian shu kan mo ka bot wane de to shu ko je ka kore ka shu ga kep chaga yen ka police station chalke mentega melekia police station yen gwadan chaga yenten chala do mi chiren me shi jen korwa de ba wa ka koninten payuba wa ka konyo market wa tika violent ki kor mi jitwokten eno kam broker ki lar konti la ngwak kan ka kokki jel kan ngwak chala do cha ne ti shop ka well buckle sha ka arrested ke chaka yen anyo ka penal state chala do ne te nyam te grun wal dokoro den misha kapin non dol mi te grun wal bakel cha gujeno garamo cha nyal che yar cha garamo cha je yen ka cha nyam to mom te grun wal dokone cha je nang dol wal ko jen bajo mo kawal police spokesperson Gerald James Monday no cha la do ne gwad dana chi kori to tere wi ka Juba shirka naga dana cha nak Tiger Division Soldier karandi no dim cha mo ka bod awa cha kam cha bentel mala kore wichin winimi na me ajena dan en chalat ka do dan de kon linga ja today news show us a painful truth South Sudan is facing many struggle at once. Bor County cannot manage peace locally. River attacks are destroying life and trade. Political trials are shaping the future of leaders. Security incidents continue in Juba and other states. The question remains, how do we move forward? That's the question. How do we move forward? Well, you know, peace cannot come only from gun. Dialogue is needed, but dialogue also needs trust, and trust is missing in many places. For ordinary people, safety is the first priority. Parents want their children to travel, trade, and go to school without fear. Women want to move freely without danger. Trade want to do business without losing their life. As citizens, as communities, we must keep calling for accountability, for justice, and for peace. Here at Changfied YouTube channel, we will keep telling these stories. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment. Do you believe dialogue can still work in South Sudan, or have violence destroyed truth forever? Thank you for staying with us. Bye-bye.